First, we're going to start off by pouring all of our ingredients into the bowl and whisking until fully combined. Now we're going to dip each one of the wings into the batter, making sure that they're all fully coated. And then we'll let them marinate in the fridge we did it for about 2 hours. I mean, if you want more flavor, you can let it sit overnight. Now that the wings have been marinated and brought to room temperature, we're going to fry them in batches of 3. Now we're going to give our wings a second fry, this time for 4 minutes apiece.
Oh my god, so these wings came out so good. They legit taste like the Chinese chicken wings at the store, but better. So make sure you guys give these a try.